Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup FreshBooks invoices and reports step by step clearly. To backup FreshBooks invoices and reports, start by logging into your FreshBooks account. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Invoices tab located on the left side. Select the invoice you wish to backup. Open the invoice details by clicking on it. Look for the export option, typically found near the top right corner. Choose the format you want to export the invoice in, usually PDF or Excel. Click Download or Export to save the file to your device. Now, to backup reports, return to the dashboard. Click on the Reports tab in the left navigation menu. Select the report you want to backup from the available options. Open the report details by clicking on it. Look for the Export or Download option at the top right. Choose your preferred format for the report. Click Download to save the report to your device. Repeat this process for any additional invoices or reports you need to back up. Ensure all files are saved in a designated folder for easy access. Regularly backing up your invoices and reports can help maintain your financial records securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.